Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this a small video about gold. So let's get it started. Let me show you some charts from the past. This is the gold monthly chart, my Elliott wave count on this one. This chart was made on September 8th, right? I don't want to go too far back. So starting from here, this is my count. We have one, two, and then we have three is underway. Out of that, one, two, three, three. Three of this three, big three, was underway, is still underway, right? So when you look at the weekly chart, and this is the chart I made then, and this is the chart right now, right? So this is still going on and on and on and on, constantly going to the upside. This chart I just recorded, this is 3rd October. And now, same time, not same time, but in the meantime, I made the weekly chart. The last weekly chart I made was this. So this was this, one and two. Basically, this is this, right? And then this wave three is going on. So weekly chart exposing that wave three subwaves, right? Out of that, we have this one, two, and then this wave three is still underway, and then you can see this like one, two, and then one, two, three, four, five, wave three. This is wave four, and this is wave five. Right? This wave five, if it is finished, then we supposedly finished wave three here, but that is a question, big question for now. And then this one, this is the triangle that I was following on a daily chart. So let me show you that this chart as of today, the weekly chart is there. So it went up a little bit more to the upside. But this thing has to finish somewhere here, wave three. Now, if you look at this triangle, the daily chart, on the daily chart, what happened? This triangle and then this. So my chart I made was like this. A long time ago, I made the chart saying that this is what is going to happen. This is a triangle, this wave three, four, and then out of that, wave five supposed to be starting with this wave one, two, and three, four, five is going to be like this. So this chart, so far, you can see here that this is what happened. This is a triangle, and then it started to go up, and all the way as of yesterday, it was here. Now, yesterday, I made several charts trying to see that maybe we're going to drop here, and then here, and then here, but this thing keep going to the upside. Now it is, way far to the upside, right? So again, this candle yesterday, it's like a shooting star, right? It's a beautiful reversal candle, powerful reversal candle. So I said, well, maybe we're gonna stop here, and then if this is wave one, two, three, then we're gonna drop for wave four, just like this wave two. A small wave four will come, and then we will go up for wave five. So this was yesterday, and as of today, we have this chart. So it's another candle, which is also a powerful reversal candle. So this was like a shooting star candle they will call, right? And then this is like a doji, right? So big wick to the upside, big wick to the downside, and it is also, usually it serves as a reversal candle. So is that going to happen? I don't know, but this is what the Elliott wave count and suggestions are that if this is wave one and two, and this could be wave three ending here, then we're gonna drop for wave four here. So this is my daily chart, and then this one, two, three, four, five. If you look at the 4 hour chart, this is what this one, two, three, and let's see if we can get four at the last around the last wave four, which is this one here. See this wave three. It has like it's somewhere like wave one and two, they're like lost, and then three, and then this is wave four, and then this is wave five probably. So this is the wave four territory, and this wave four should be dropping into this territory somewhere here if we have finished wave three. So let's see what happened, right? So that's my count, my wave count of the gold. Right. And I had multiple trades going to the upside. They are all over on my website, right? I can have them all over the place, so I'm not including those charts in here. So yeah, so this is what it is, and I recorded the chart and their templates. If you want those charts and these charts and their templates, so you can open on your MT4, then please email me. I'll just send it to you, right? Whoever emails, it will get the chart and the template as well. Monthly, weekly, daily, and for our chart. right? And if you want to get my system and then be a part of my group, then you can just simply go on my website here and be a part of it, right? I also have a Telegram where I constantly post heads up and my setup. Like for example, this is here. Yesterday I posted, and this, USD yen, pound yen, all of these 4 hour. I mean my 40-minute chart setups, right? That what is happening on a daily basis. I post, right? And this is only for my paid subscribers. So if you want to be a part of it, then go on my website. Like I said, that this is what it is. It's creativetrading.system.com. And then you can sign up for monthly or weekly, or you want to learn, not weekly, I mean yearly, or if you want to learn, this whole business from A to Z, then you want to join this one-on-one coaching where I teach you personally over the Zoom 10-hour course that will make you master of not only this business, but my system and all of that, and how to make precise entries. All of these trades are going on here right now. You can see all this website here. These are the trades that's taken using my system, right? This is 1st October. This is 1st October. This is 1st October. I still have to put the 2nd October trades, So anyway, so this is what it is, right? So this is it for now for gold. And I got emails about Nasdaq and S&P, but I'll make a separate video for them because they are also very typical right now, all-time high, and nothing to compare to. No S&L levels there, right? So it is very difficult. But I'll make the video anyway later on for Nasdaq and S&P 500. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful the last day of the trading week.